Here's some automaton creation trivia. Subscribe. What is the term for robot-controlled manufacturing? Is it A, automation, B, machine learning, C, machinery control, or D, manual labor? The correct answer is A, automation. Who built the first mechanical Turk? Is it A, Wolfgang von Kempelen, B, Alan Turing, C, Nikola Tesla, or D, Charles Babbage? The correct answer is A, Wolfgang von Kempelen. What is the name of Boston Dynamics' robot dog? Is it A, BarkBot, B, RoboPup, C, Dynadog, or D, Spot? The correct answer is D, Spot. Which automaton simulates conversation? Is it A, smart speaker, B, automated teller machine, C, chatbot, or D, voice assistant? The correct answer is C, chatbot. What describes algorithms mimicking human behavior? Is it A, automation, B, data mining, C, artificial intelligence, or D, quantum computing? The correct answer is C, artificial intelligence. Which robot competitor is known for robot combat events? Is it A, BattleBots, B, Terminator, C, RoboCop, or D, Iron Giant? The correct answer is A, BattleBots. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.